Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Nonfiction Summary. Today we are going to have a look on the hyped but controversial topic of dropshipping. Enjoy the video and don't forget to leave a like and tell us your opinion on dropshipping in the comments section. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where an online store sells products to customers, but the products are actually shipped directly from a third-party supplier or manufacturer to the customer. The online store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the online store purchases the item from the supplier and has it shipped directly to the customer. Dropshipping has become a popular business model for entrepreneurs who want to start an e-commerce business without needing to invest a lot of money upfront. Before we go over the advantages and disadvantages, we will look at a role model in terms of dropshipping businesses, Gymshark, a UK-based fitness apparel brand. Here are some lessons learned and best practices from Gymshark's success story. Gymshark identified a passionate niche of fitness enthusiasts who wanted high-quality and stylish workout clothes. Gymshark provides high-quality, innovative, and stylish fitness apparel that resonates with their target audience. Gymshark has built a strong brand through their social media presence, influencer marketing, and content marketing efforts, which has helped them attract and retain customers. Gymshark's direct-to-consumer model has allowed them to cut out intermediaries and offer their products at competitive prices, increasing their profit margins. Gymshark has emphasized providing a positive customer experience, including easy returns and exchanges, which has helped them build a loyal customer base. Gymshark has expanded their product offerings beyond just fitness apparel, including accessories and equipment, which has helped them grow their business and cater to their customers' needs. Overall, Gymshark's success can be attributed to their focus on providing high-quality products, building a strong brand, and emphasizing customer experience. These are all important lessons for anyone looking to start a successful dropshipping business. To get a good overview of the topic, we will first look at the disadvantages and then at the advantages of this business model. Here are some of the main drawbacks of dropshipping. 1. Limited control over inventory. Since you are relying on a third-party supplier to fulfill orders, you have limited control over the inventory. This means you may not be able to ensure the availability or quality of your products. 2. Lower profit margins. Dropshipping businesses typically have lower profit margins due to the fact that the supplier is taking a cut of the revenue. 3. Shipping and handling issues. If your supplier is not reliable, there can be issues with shipping and handling, which can result in delays or damaged products. 4. Customer service challenges. As a dropshipper, you are responsible for handling customer service, but if there are issues with the product or shipping, it can be difficult to provide satisfactory solutions. 5. High competition. Dropshipping is a popular business model, which means there can be high competition in certain niches, making it challenging to stand out and make sales. 6. Legal liabilities. You may be held legally liable for issues such as product defects or intellectual property infringement, even if the issue is caused by the supplier. It is important to consider these disadvantages when deciding if dropshipping is the right business model for you. While dropshipping can offer several advantages, it also requires careful planning and management to be successful. Here are some of the main advantages of dropshipping. 1. Low startup costs. With dropshipping, you don't need to invest in inventory or a physical storefront, which can significantly lower your startup costs. 2. Low overhead costs. Since you don't need to store inventory or manage a physical storefront, your overhead costs are minimal, which can increase your profit margins. 3. Easy to get started. Dropshipping is relatively easy to start, as you can set up an online store and start selling products without needing to purchase inventory upfront. 4. Flexible location. Since you don't need to manage inventory or a physical storefront, you can operate your business from anywhere with an internet connection. 5. Wide range of products. With dropshipping, you can offer a wide range of products without needing to purchase inventory upfront, which can help you cater to a variety of customer needs and preferences. 6. Scalability. Since you don't need to worry about managing inventory or a physical storefront, dropshipping can be easily scaled up as your business grows. 7. Reduced risk. Dropshipping can help reduce the risk associated with traditional retail businesses since you are not purchasing inventory upfront. Overall, dropshipping can offer several advantages, making it a popular choice for entrepreneurs looking to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment. Now we will look at a step-by-step guide on how to start dropshipping. 1. Choose a niche. Start by selecting a niche that you are passionate about and that has a good potential for sales. You can conduct market research to determine the best niche that fits your interests. 2. Find a supplier. Look for a reputable dropshipping supplier in your chosen niche. You can find suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Alibaba, and Oberlo. 3. Create an online store. You can create an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Choose a domain name, theme, and layout that aligns with your niche. 4. Import products. Once you have identified your supplier, import their products into your store. You can use an app like Oberlo to easily import products from AliExpress into your Shopify store. 5. Set prices. Decide on the prices for your products based on the supplier's cost and the market demand. 6. Start marketing. Promote your products on social media, Google AdWords, or other advertising platforms. Create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. 7. Fulfill orders. When a customer places an order, forward it to your supplier for fulfillment. The supplier will ship the product directly to your customer, and you will earn a profit. 8. Monitor and optimize. Keep track of your sales, expenses, and customer feedback. Make changes to your store and marketing strategy to improve your conversion rates. 9. Scale up. Once you have established a profitable niche, consider expanding your product line and marketing efforts to grow your business. Remember that building a successful dropshipping business takes time, effort, and persistence. Stay focused on providing value to your customers, and you can build a profitable and sustainable business. Thanks for watching the video. When you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. See you next time.